Hi, welcome to today's tutorial from the Merry Uke. Today we're going to learn a really easy song called Sky Full of Song by Florence and the Machine. I'm going to play a little bit for you and then we'll break it down. I can tell that I'm in trouble when that music starts to play. In a city without seasons, it keeps raining in LA. Feel like I'm about to fall, the room begins to sway. And I can hear the sirens, but I cannot walk away. Grab me by my ankles, I've been flying for too long. I couldn't hide from the thunder in a sky full of song. And I want you so badly, but you could be anyone. I couldn't hide from the thunder in a sky full of song. Hold me down, I'm so tired now. Aim your arrow at the sky. Take me down, I'm too tired now. Leave me where I lie. So the way I play this song, only 3 chords: E minor, G, and C5. For the verses and the bridge, it's the same pattern the whole time, just E minor, G, and then C. So I like to play an E minor. I like to set up my G first, so that's boom, boom, boom. And then I just put my pinky there for E minor. So when I'm playing this song, all I have to do is lift up my pinky for the next chord. So it goes, da, 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 that's my E minor, and then G, da, da, da. So I just lift up my pinky, da, and then C5. So normal C is here. I put a finger down right next to it for C5. Da, 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 da. And then again, E minor, dun, dun, G, da, 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 da. And it's that the whole time for all the verses and that bridge. I thought I was flying, but maybe I'm dying tonight. And the strumming pattern I like to just use my thumb for this one because it's kind of a sweet song. I like the sweet sound of a thumb. And I just, for the picking, or for the strumming pattern, I just go dun 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 2 times on the E minor, G, dun, and then kind of a pause, dun, to the C. So. So for the chorus, you just alternate between G and C5. So, hold me down, I'm so tired now. Aim your arrow at the sky. Take me down, I'm so tired now. Leave me where I lie. For the strumming pattern for the chorus, I kind of just go da 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 da. Long, long, short, short, long, long, short, short, long, long, short, short, long, long. Don't worry too much. You could be pretty simple and kind of just play it like once or twice when the chord changes. So like, hold me down, I'm so tired now. Aim your arrow at the sky. I'm just playing it twice each chord. So play around with it a little bit. A lot of things I think sound good with this song, so happy playing!